Russia has reinforced its frontline air defenses with a new delivery of surface-to-air missiles tailored for the Pantsir-S system, according to a June 19, 2025 announcement by the state-owned defense giant Rostec. This latest shipment arrives as part of Moscow's broader strategy to maintain combat readiness and replenish depleted missile inventories in the face of the ongoing war in Ukraine. These newly supplied munitions are calibrated to neutralize a variety of modern aerial threats, ranging from unmanned drones and cruise missiles to low-flying aircraft, emphasizing Russia's intent to strengthen its short- and medium-range air defense framework amid intensifying aerial engagements. The Pantsir-S, a hybrid missile and gun platform, is engineered for countering low-altitude attacks and is increasingly seen as a pivotal layer in Russia's evolving air defense doctrine. Equipped with 57 E-6 solid-fuel missiles, each featuring a fragmentation warhead weighing approximately 20 kilograms, the system is capable of striking targets at distances up to 20 kilometers and altitudes reaching 15 kilometers. With missiles traveling at speeds nearing Mach 3, the Pantsir-S can swiftly respond to surprise threats like incoming UAVs or stealthy cruise missiles. To reinforce its lethality, the Pantsir-S combines two radar systems, a long-range S-band radar capable of spotting 36 targets simultaneously within a 30-plus km radius, and a dual-band fire control radar that ensures precise tracking and interception of up to 4 targets at once. This dual radar setup significantly improves the system's ability to detect and eliminate low-observable aerial platforms often used in modern conflict zones. Alongside its missile arsenal, the Pantsir-S is armed with twin 30mm 2A38M autocannons mounted on either side of its turret. With a combined rate of fire exceeding 5,000 rounds per minute, these cannons are effective against threats within a 200-meter to 4-kilometer range, providing a crucial fallback layer against drones or helicopters that slip through missile defenses. The system's fire control suite integrates electro-optical sensors, including thermal imaging and laser rangefinding, enabling radar-silent operations in high-jamming environments. This versatility allows Pantsir-S units to operate even when electromagnetic interference attempts to suppress radar capabilities. All weaponry is mounted on a KAMAZ 6568x8 chassis, which grants the Pantsir-S high mobility with speeds up to 90 km per hour and a range of 500 km. While it performs best when stationary, it retains the ability to fire while on the move, allowing dynamic repositioning in response to fluid battlefield conditions. Operationally, the Pantsir-S fills a critical niche between long-range systems like the S-300/S-400 and man-portable air defenses. Its presence near command posts, logistics hubs, and key infrastructure offers both a buffer and a counterpunch against drone swarms and saturation strikes, especially relevant given Ukraine's increasing use of commercial and military-grade UAVs in reconnaissance and attack roles. Strategically, this missile delivery is more than just a logistical update, it's a signal. The Kremlin is actively adapting its layered defense network to contend with modern threats and maintain control over contested airspace. By keeping Pantsir-S systems fully armed and deployable, Russia aims to deter escalation and demonstrate the staying power of its integrated air defense doctrine in an era defined by rapid drone proliferation and precision-guided munitions.